am in my late 20s, and
I know that's right.
I'm keeping it there.
I've been in my late 20s for the past 12 years.
Biological age says that, after 365, I have to add one more number to my age. Chronological age is saying, how are you feeling on the inside?
Okay.
What's your personality giving?
Oh.
Sure, I might be in my late 20s, but sometimes I feel like I might be in my 50s. Other times, I'm 18.
On the weekends, I'm in my 20s.
On the weekends, I'm in my 60s, but that's okay.
I fall under mid-50s.
How do you feel like it differentiates from maybe your 40s, your 30s, and your 20s?
20s, I feel 20s were fraught with emotional trouble. 30s were feeling powerful. 40s, kind of nurturing, doing the home thing. 50s, maybe back into a different kind of power.
What age range do you find yourself in?
60, 65? Well, it's nothing like you would think it is, that's for sure.
What skincare advice would you give your younger self?
Stay out of the sun, which I followed.
What would I give my younger self? Exfoliation on a regular basis. I would have drank more water.
Oh, I would say more water.
Do you know
all
what I
the
mean?
time.
That was always challenging.
And in your 20s, what is the best solution for acne and pores?
The Dr. Gross 2-step peels. It will treat everything, and it will save your life.
Describe your 20s in one word.
Sensational.